Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Michael. Welcome to MS FITZ'S Adventures. Dione is at work. It is Saturday. I just happen to be off Saturday, Sundays, and Mondays. And Dione, we don't know because she is filling in for somebody that's off, on vacation. So she'll probably have Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or something off this following week. Anyways, we've been here. We got into our new campsite. It's pretty nice. I showed you the last video, the move. We also put out the Christmas tree lights up on the side, and we're going to get some more from storage in Joshua Tree is where our storage is in California, and we will go over there probably in about 3 weeks, and we'll get all the Christmas decorations put up because this whole area fills up with Christmas stuff. So all the people over here behind me here or right there, all those folks will put up Christmas lights all the way around and all the way around up into here. We don't have anybody right next to us right now, but I think in a week or maybe by the end of this weekend, some folks that are on the other end have to move like we did, so they'll be coming over here. So the two next to us, but they're weekenders, so it'd be nice to have somebody over here on the weekends around us. Let's see what's going else on. Oh, I went to Walmart the other day and I went and bought this little itty bitty tomato plant, and I got that big pot and I got these other 3 pots. So I'm going to take the dirt out of one. One of these had tomatoes and the other ones had peppers in it. I'm going to rework the soil, and then I'm going to go ahead and plant this little tomato plant today. You want to watch us do that? That's kind of interesting. And let's see, the weather has been bad. I told you about that. We have got a lot of work to do in the camper, but we've got to get some money first. I spent too much money on this camera and the drone, unfortunately. But by, I think, January or so, when I can start to work a little bit more and we get a little bit of money and we get our income tax back, we are actually going to rebuild where the dining room is, the dining room set, the dinette as they call it. And we want to put a piece of plywood under the mattress. The frame that's there is smaller than the mattress itself, and these gel foam mattresses have to have something underneath it, some support all the way underneath, and it doesn't. So we're going to put another piece of plywood, screw that down, and get the hinge things like these little gas shocks. That's what keeps it up or down. This moves it. Yeah, well, that's what it does to the bed too. It keeps it up or puts it down, and we'll get that put on. I think those are like 30 bucks a piece, and the plywood's like 45. So we'll do that. And then, like I said, we want to do the dinette set, and the dinette needs to be completely, everything. The seats need to be taken out. There's storage underneath them. Either rebuilt those, or we're going to build a whole new thing. We're going to make a shelf so we can put the clock and some other stuff on it underneath the TV, and drop the TV down a little bit. If not, then I'm thinking to leave the TV where it's at, but put a piece of wood behind it so it's more stable. We can leave it up when we drive. And then I want to take and move the table back against this wall here. See, I sit here, Dione sits here. She doesn't sit here anymore, really. So take the table and move it back this way. Gives me more room this way. Get out that bench, and then we can put in an office chair maybe. And I can sit in an office chair to watch TV or to edit videos. That would be very nice. So we've got some plans coming up for all that. Let's see. Another thing we've been thinking about. We have no internet here. Even on our cell phones, I have 3 bars inside the camper with Verizon. The towers that are around here are Verizon and AT&T towers. Later on, we're still new at all this. I want to get a cell phone booster, which they claim it can boost up the signal 32 times from what it is. So here we get 3 bars. I can get in and out with my cell phone. I cannot edit a video with it. I cannot upload a video with it. I can't even get on with my laptop. So problem with that is I have to go all the way down to Parker, to the library every week, and sit there for 4 to 5 hours to download a video. I don't mind doing that for you all because I love doing what I'm doing. But the problem is I need it here, so I don't have to do that. The library is nice. They're kind people. It's free to use their computers or their internet, and it's just a nice place to go. The kids are great. The people that run it are really nice too. The Parker Library, that's pretty cool. So this booster, if we put it up on top of the roof, it'll get us a better signal than we have. They say to amplify that signal, but I'm thinking about maybe taking it and putting it on a mast and bringing it up a little higher, and then putting the inside one in there where it can run it will run Wi-Fi, and once it runs Wi-Fi, then we can have the TV hooked up and everything else hooked up to it. So I'm gonna try to think about that. There's a couple different brands out there. We know a friend that has one that's from Canada, and it's $400. I think they're all about the same price, but he loves it. He said it really, really, really helps anywhere he's at. He uses it for AT&T, or he can use it also for Verizon. So that's pretty cool. And that's another thing. Most of the people that we know that are doing this full-time and traveling a lot, if they don't have internet, if they're static and sitting in one campground, possibilities they might have Wi-Fi there, or available Wi-Fi there that you can get, or cell towers close by. But people like me that don't, and people like the ones that travel a lot, well, they end up using AT&T and Verizon, because not everywhere does Verizon work and not everywhere does AT&T work. So if one doesn't work, the other one usually does work. That's what they tell us. So we'll think about that too, because we're going to continue doing this for a couple years. Speaking of that, we are going to we know we're staying for the winter, and we were thinking about maybe staying for the summer. We'll see what happens. It would be pretty good for us because we can pay bills. We don't spend a lot of money when we're here, and that's what we need to do, is pay off the camper and the truck, and then we can travel more and everything will be better. That's what we're feeling right now. So we'll see what happens. The summertime, we've got 6 months to 7 months to figure that all out. If anything, I would really like to go back up to Northern California and stay underneath the redwoods or one of the parks up there. That would be fun. Yeah, I think that would be kind of neat. So we'll see what happens. Let's see what else is going on. I'm going to do the tomatoes in just a little bit. For dinner, I was thinking, I'm in charge of dinners when I'm off, and Dione's in charge of dinners when she's off. So tonight I'm thinking about making chicken kebabs. So I'm going to have to do the dishes and get all that done after I get the plant planted, and then I'll start up the grill and get that hot. And by about 7 o'clock we can eat dinner, so that'd be kind of neat. She won't have to do that tonight. Max has been outside for a couple hours with me earlier, and all he wants to do is get mice, or I guess lizards, but he's trying to get underneath the camper, so I think mice again. We did find a little guy recently. We got him out. He's now gone. It's all good. We had that one big rat that I think that we actually brought from, I think we brought it from 29 Palms, because that's what was there before. I think they just crawled underneath our camper, but we got rid of all those, and yeah, so everything's good. We're doing really well here. We really like it, like I said, and the people are really nice. So what can you say? We are going to go ahead and maybe start this potting of plant, and yeah, a little bit we'll show you what we're going to have for dinner. So hang in there, okay? All right, it's later in the afternoon. Dione just came home. I sent her off for a bottle of wine because we were supposed to go to the store. I really don't feel like going to the store today because I'm going to go do that Monday. So look, we are going to do this tomato plant, like I said. Let me get out of the shadow and stop making shadows. Yeah, so it's in that little pot. We're going to put it in a bigger pot. So I'm going to take some dirt and mix it up, and yeah, that's what we're going to do. All right, everybody, look who it is. Say hello.
Hi, everybody.
So she just got off work, and I had her go down real quick and get some Chardonnay, like I said, because she didn't have any left. And I didn't want to go to the store tonight. We'll go later, maybe tomorrow. But anyways, let's ready to do it?
Yep.
All right, so we got this. Take out your rocks. Well, let's not put it on the table so the table gets dirty, but yeah, too late now. All right, we'll just break this up a little bit. Really super dry from being out in the
desert.
Yeah,
Summer.
yeah, and the heat. Take all that. It needs to go thrown away. And then, wow, is that all that's left of that stuff? A little dusty, isn't it? Okay, well that's gonna. I want the other pot. Let's get the other pot. Excuse that sun. Ooh, don't hurt yourself. Here, put it over here. Okay. And this one's moisture because
it's been covered and on the bottom. And
everything's going through it. So we'll just cultivate this.
And pour it on top of that.
Yeah, we can do that. We'll get it all broken up. Got your adult beverage?
Yes.
Because you worked hard all day?
And no, it's not full. It's 3/4 full of the frozen ice blocks.
Yeah, we have ice blocks in the refrigerator for her. So she pours it over ice. All right, is that good? Let's pour some of that. And don't lift it up and do that because of the rocks. All right, I don't want those rocks in there. Okay. The rocks are right there. Alright, I guess that's it. We can put that down over there. Yeah, let's not do any more. And we can use the fresh dirt too. Okay, which one was this? These are the Pinot Noir sweet peppers. That's what those were. So this one says that it is a plum tomato. And yeah, so it's a plum tomato. And we'll see. Grown throughout the United States headquarters. How many days is it? Let's see what it says. Roma, fast growing, I know, classic tomato. Throw the whole thing in there. There we go. That's some dirt we bought to actually put seeds in, but we never did the seeds. That's really nice. Ooh, that's pretty good. So it didn't say. Okay, it says full sunlight, 6 hours. We're not going to space them apart because we only have one. Maturity is 73 to 80 days, so that's a little over 2 months. So
2.5 months, yeah.
yeah, so we'll be okay. Be November and December, they'll start dying out because it should get cold. A couple cold snaps, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so here. I'm holding the camera. You got to help me here. That's why I waited till you got home, because you're so smart and good at this. No, hold on. Squeeze it. Then hit the bottom. And then do that. Yeah. Okay, let's break up the roots just a little bit.
I was going to.
Don't hurt them too much. Just yeah. Okay, let me put that up on top. Here, now I get my hands dirty, but that's okay.
Here, you can fix it really quick.
Well, let's not do that right now, okay? We'll do that in a minute. Watch. Okay, because this is actually really moist. Do you feel it?
Mm-hmm. It's going to draw the moisture down to the dry stuff on the
I know,
bottom.
that's fine. We are going to pack this though to get all the airs out, so it does a better job. Okay. There we go. I'll put that right there. All right, so now we got it there. And let's get that thing. It's really bright, the sun.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Yeah. We're gonna have to put that around it. Yeah, we had to open it up. Do you remember how to do that?
Yeah, but you've been on.
In. You have to get something to pry them loose. There you go. That's what we have, just like that. Okay, and then try to get those around it maybe a little bit. Right there.
It's not gonna reach.
Okay. Maybe we can use a piece of our wire, whatever that is. Do we have any end of that? In there?
We have that bright pink string.
No, I don't want to use the string. Alright. Okay, well, that's good for right now, huh? Alright, is this on? Yep. And look, we're going to water our new plant. See, it's still got about 90 degrees today in the sun. So that should be pretty good. Now today is the 26th of October. So we'll have 30-some 40 days and everything should be good. Just water this really super good right now. Okay. You look like a farmer now. You got your farming hat on.
Well, it's bright out and it helps shade me.
Okay. All right. Well, pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
All right, guys. We are going to sit and relax because it's my day off. And she just got off work. We're going to have some adult beverages, her little wine, and I'm going to have me a beer. And then I'm going to go in the house for a little bit. And I'm going to make dinner, and hopefully we'll show you that before I put it on the grill, but it might be dark by the time we do all that. So if not, maybe I'll take a flashlight and show you. But meanwhile, we do have some time lapse, so go ahead and watch this. And I want to tell you guys, hey, thank you very much for watching.
Thank you, guys.
And come back and see us at MS FITZ'S Adventures. You can write us at msfitzsadventures@gmail.com, or you can write us below here. Also, please share. Tell your friends about us and subscribe to our videos, please. Subscribing to our videos is a good thing. It helps us grow our channel. Once we grow our channel, hopefully maybe we can start being real YouTubers. Yeah. Even though we have 85 videos. And I want to tell you all one thing real quick. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween, everybody.
Yeah, we're not going to really probably do anything for Halloween, but you'll see for Christmas here, this is going to be all decked out. All right, guys.
Bye for now.
Bye for now. We'll see you next time on MS FITZ'S Adventures. Hey, watch this time lapse.